coordinating outfits. Bar setup. Are you pumping right now?
Got me up all night, putting things on the side.
Alright guys, we're here. Well, not like Vegas here, but day one, Momcation. We have our pumpkin, what is it? I'm like pumpkin brews, pumpkin cold foam. Yeah.
Cold foam?
Cold foam. You guys know.
Like lick the lid good.
We are like coordinating outfits. We actually dressed up. I'm super excited because I never get dressed up like this anymore.
Nope.
No. When was the last time you dressed up like this?
A couple years.
Couple years. No mom bun. Start over here with our complimentary champagne.
Which we've already gotten into.
Just kidding, we popped it ourselves.
Alright, careful.
So nervous. I get real scared.
Tell me when you're about to do it.
You see my body?
Okay, ready?
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 1, 2, 3. We're not that fancy. And then my favorite spot so far is this, because I don't know if anybody else did this in high school, but you like sit right here and then you spread out your makeup and you just do your makeup right here in front of the mirror. And I'm really excited to do that and not have kids be like, Mom, Mom, Mom. We have our fancy bar set up, fully stocked, because we had to fully stock it. We literally came on vacation so we can eat without little people stealing our food, so. And then we have our couch that's also a fold-out bed. And then our wonderful view of
the train.
That's not a shuttle, guys. Not a shuttle.
Actually, funny story. Sorry. I know this is a room tour, but we were driving on the freeway the other day, and Tiffany's like, "Look, there's a shuttle," and I'm like, "Honey, that's Bart."
That's Bart. You know. Then we have a big TV that my husband would probably know way more information about, and I don't know how to change the channel. But we're just gonna watch Cops. Don't mind my breast pump because, you know, mom life. Nice little illuminated mirror right here. And then we just have a regular walk-in shower. I like that shower. All right. And then this is our room, not someone else's room. Christina?
I freaked out and opened the door and I was like, oh my God, this isn't locked. Someone else's room is there and it's like, not. Show them what's in there.
Our room, because we're in a suite right now. Close if you're coming with your family, you could definitely just like have the kids out there, whoever out there, and like mom and dad could be in here. Right next to it you have the closet, which is pretty big. And you have another TV in here. Really nice, really wide.
I like the mirror.
This mirror is like to die.
It's modern.
For. We're staying at the Embassy Suites, so I highly recommend them. I actually been here a couple times, not to this one, but different ones, and they're always like really nice. I think all of their rooms are like this. You automatically get a suite for really good deals, and if you book with hot rates, we got this one for like $150 on a weekend, which is so good. And they're doing complimentary like drinks and appetizers.
Like cocktail hour.
Yeah, so like a happy hour here, and it's complimentary to the people who are staying. They give us little wristbands, and we also get free breakfast too. So
and we'll show you guys the rest of the hotel.
Yeah.
Hey guys, Christy here. If you don't know, I'm Tiffany's friend. Kind of in a funk because we're at the point where we were walking around and we got a nice drink, a mom drink, and we got some yummy food at the Cheesecake Factory. I'm sure she took some clips of it to show you guys. I got my favorite, the warm crab and artichoke dip. She's throwing things at me. Oh, I don't know, it might be too dark for me. She just threw this at me because I'm wearing leopard tonight and I wanted red lipstick, but this doesn't look red. There you go. It is red. Like a purple, it's like purpley. And we're back. So I think that's why I'm so excited I'm vlogging right now, is because I hardly ever vlog. My channel's on hold right now. We were looking for places to eat and I found a place called Broderick's, what I'm super excited about because they have like those yummy oily garlic, that like hot garlic oil fries, and that sounds really... What? Let's go over here.
My face is so oily.
Are you pumping right now?
Yeah. My boobs look big.
Okay, so she's pumping.
You guys,
life.
I will do a full review on these. They are, so the pumps don't stick out.
I won't try to be in frame, but that's weird. Okay, never mind. Okay, I'm here, pumping with you. Okay, you take over.
Okay, I will have a full review because I've been using these for like a week. But I got a new breast pump from insurance. Guys, I talk about this all the time. Your insurance will give you a free breast pump. I will again link the website. She like put me on blast though. Yeah, on this trip I am just pumping and dumping, not because of like drinking or anything like that, but because I just don't want to bring the breast milk on the plane with us and bring it back. And since I'm a stay-at-home mom, I feel like I don't need to bring the breast milk back like I did with Aria. So I'm just pumping to keep my supply up. So that's the reason why. But I did like this because it's discreet compared to the pumps that stick out. So I will do like a full review on it because it's kind of hard and tricky. But these are called collection cups and they were like $80. But again, there was a discount through my insurance. So I thought I was gonna be sneaky over here in the corner and someone found me. And we are changing, so after I'm done with this, I'm gonna just change into a black maxi because I'm tired of these shorts. I don't think I'm ready for shorts. Summer's over and I'm like, I'm not ready for shorts. I'm not
ready for shorts, and I have not birthed a human. I was looking like a sausage in those shorts trying to be cute, and I'm like, this is not working.
How excited are you for fall and leggings and oversized sweaters?
I am excited. I went to Walmart
and soul food and crock pot meals.
Oh, I love it.
Oh,
I love crock pot.
We're on vacation.
I did crock pot meatballs before I left this morning. So
do you do it with grape jelly?
I have. Actually, it's really good with barbecue chicken with grape jelly and barbecue chicken.
Yeah.
It's something sweet.
My grape jelly. Put half, like half a jar of grape jelly with the barbecue sauce. Ooh. And it sticks, the barbecue sauce sticks onto the wings and the meatballs.
That because it's the sugar, because they're trying to like stickiness.
Yes. And they're like amazing.
So I remember when I was poor and I got my first apartment, I had some chicken.
I like how you just threw that in.
When I was poor.
When I was poor. It's okay. I talked about Eric and I living off of like $5 for a week. We used to, when we first got together.
How come I never knew that?
Dude, we were bad.
Oh, I have a lot to talk about.
We used to share, you know, the $5 Taco Bell boxes when they first came out?
Yeah.
Every night for like 3 months when we first like moved in together. Yeah, and we would share it, guys. We were so like poor.
We moved in, well, I guess Ed and I weren't technically poor, but we bought a condo, but it was only 600 square feet in Fremont.
California's expensive. That's expensive.
Well, it was like $350. There's $360 when we bought it in Fremont. But we used, what was I saying?
You bought it?
Yeah, we bought it.
Oh wow.
It was like $350.
See, we've never like purchased a home.
It's overrated.
It's overrated.
It is.
I feel like our lifestyles though, we can't commit to one area. I honestly want to leave California.
You know that I almost moved to Vegas.
I know. And Eric doesn't want to, but I can't commit to 30 years.
Not wanting to.
No, yeah. What were we talking about? We went from food to breast milk.
I was saying
we got deep with you guys.
When I was poor, I would. I wasn't poor, but when I got my first apartment and I didn't have much money, I had chicken and I didn't have barbecue sauce or anything. So I called my mom and I'm like, Mom, what do I make out of chicken? Like I have nothing, and she's like, do you have mustard? I'm like, yeah. And she said, get something sweet, get something sour, and then something like spicy or tomatoey. So I put strawberry jam, mustard, and I think like tomato sauce. No, it wasn't tomato sauce. Something else. I think it was like something spicy, like hot sauce. And I mixed it to make a marinade. So she said, as long as you do the combination. And I still use that formula to this day. Like I put, yeah, it was good. Like no, strawberry jam with mustard. So you got the sweet, and then you got the sour, and then I think there was something spicy and something tomatoey. But I still use that concept now. So I do like barbecue sauce with sriracha and honey to make like our own. I think it's to make your own teriyaki. Would you say cherry what?
A cherry chipotle glaze.
Ooh, that sounds good.
I don't know what to make with it though, so it's just sitting there. We got it from Washington.
Chicken breast.
That's not taking chicken wings.
Or like cut it up and then like pan fry it and use it like stir fry.
Salad on the side.
Ooh, I'm hungry.
We are so hungry.
But the purpose of what I was gonna tell you is I found a really good place to eat and I'm really excited about it and we will take you with us. Okay, bye.
Philly cheesesteak, and then this one is the grilled cheese, mac and grilled cheese, yeah. And then a Tijuana mule. Thank you. What did you get?
A mule.
A kickin' mule.
A kickin' mule.
Tijuana mule. Has jalapenos. I'm excited. You guys, I think this is that Harry Potter?
Stearns.
Oh no. Just like a random life jacket. What the heck? It's 11:14. We just, where did we eat? Broderick's?
Broderick's. It was really
so
good. Yeah, I really liked it.
We just loaded up on carbs though, so we're feeling kind of like sluggish right now. Like, my face is already
Philly cheesesteak,
greasy, but it was a nice like first day. We honestly just like relaxed almost all day. We kind of walked around downtown because it was like really nice out there. Like all the lights were out there. I didn't even get any pictures or videos of the lights.
I don't think I did either, but it was really pretty.
Just trust us. Sorry.
But I'm excited for tomorrow.
Yes,
we've got to wake up early,
like
eat breakfast at the hotel.
I don't know, do you feel like you're so excited for tomorrow? Today was just like a...
Well, I was excited for today too, just because we got to like get
relax.
Out.
Yeah.
Yeah, and just kind of be away. I love my kids, but it was nice to not like have to tend to their every need.
Yes.
And to be honest, I thought we were gonna like stay up late, and I'm tired.
I asked for coffee like 20 minutes ago.
Yeah, I think I might do some coffee.
We need something. So yeah, we're gonna finish. We kind of went through earlier. We were combining our bags, so it's this way it's cheaper, so we're not checking 2 bags and getting charged twice. Yeah, I think we just need to like do toiletries after we get dressed. Oh my god.
We have an early day. I'm really, really excited though. Yes, and we're definitely gonna take you guys with us.
We are at the airport. I can't breathe. I'm so excited. We also have a surprise for you guys after the show. I'm excited to show you guys that too.